After recording more than 100 videos covering different AI tools, I can tell you that this is the most significant piece of AI technology that I have seen. An AI tool to be able to edit videos, which is the tool that we're going to be talking about today does, it's a little bit more difficult to me because the AI will have to see exactly what is in the video and figure out exactly those changes that you want to make and be able to get it done for you. I'm really impressed about this. The tool that we're going to be talking about today is Descript and their brand new feature, Underlord. I am a subscriber of Descript and I have been using it for quite a while. And now that they have come out with their AI features, I am beyond impressed for what it can do. I will give you a walkthrough of exactly how to use Underlord. We're going to be editing real-time a video that will be released later on this week. I hope you enjoy watching me editing this video and get to learn a whole lot. Basically, you have quite a few set of features that come standard with their app. You can edit a video, you can create avatar to talk for you, similar to what Synthesia does, where the avatar can represent you. Then you can create social clips based on longer videos, so their AI can go examine your video and determine which ones are the most likely videos to go viral. You can edit a podcast, remove filler words, get transcript, fix eye contact, add captions, enhance audio, and so on and so forth. There are quite a few AI tools that comes available with this, but today we're going to be talking about editing a video just by using test prompts. So I'm going to open a video that I actually want to edit. And this is a video I recorded yesterday. And it's basically about some AI tools that everybody should know if they want to start a software as a service business. This is the video itself. This is the timeline. Here on the right, you have some tools. The project, this is files that you can upload, like layover and everything like that. Then you have some AI tools that you can implement manually. We're not going to be using this today because I want to focus on the Underlord feature itself. Then you have the scenes here, and here you can select transitions, effects, and everything else. Then you have the layers here, and you can resize and do that kind of stuff. This is where you control the captions. So here you have quite a few different styles, and you can implement these across the video or only for the scene that you are editing. Lastly, you got some stock visuals, audio, music, images, and so on and so forth. But all we're going to be focusing on is on the Underlord feature down here, which is similar to ChatGPT, where you can actually go and prompt it to do something for you. So we're going to be focusing on exactly how to use it to edit videos and make sure that we're getting the best out of it. Now, before we continue, this is only available as of today on the desktop app. It's not available on the browser. So if you use Descript on the browser, it's not going to be available there. It's only available on the desktop app as far as I could find out. So let's see what we can do with this. The very first thing that I want to do is I want to fix the audio for this video. And while I can probably not share this because I am recording on the browser, so I can show you how it goes on the desktop app, let's try. Even for that, today, I will walk you through a few AI power tools that can help Descript. Basically, what it does is enhances the audio so it sounds like it was recorded in a studio. So I'm going to go here to Underlord, and I want to say, I want you to... Basically, I want to improve this audio, and I want to make sure that we are providing the best experience as you're watching this video. So it's say, let's enhance the audio quality. So the audio has been enhanced with studio sound, making your voice clearer and removing background noise. So let's go back to layer. And as you can see, studio sound has been activated. So next thing I want to do is, I want you to find any word size, lenses, and move them. Make sure we don't have and add a proper give those portions. All right, so when we have silences, I want to add some GIFs. I don't know if I would keep that, but we will see what it does for us. The biggest thing is that I don't want it taking away from some of the parts that should probably be there. So it's thinking right now. Basically, what's going to happen is that once it's done, as you can see down here, it is editing, slicing different parts that will perhaps add some GIFs there, GIFs, whatever you call them nowadays. I guess it depends on who you ask. So it's applying some layouts, but it's still thinking, so it's still working. This video is about 15 minutes, but we're only working on that first section. So let's see what we got so far.
Back. If you got a brilliant SaaS idea, but
Here comes the first one.
You're not alone.
Okay.
The good news is that it's 2025 and there are AI tools for that.
Okay, so it created the layout, but it haven't added the GIFs yet. So we're going to let it work for a little bit before we can determine whether or not we got what we wanted. And after a little bit of time, let's see what we get so far.
A brilliant SaaS idea, but zero coding experience. You're not alone.
Okay.
The good news is
So
that it's 2025
we got the layout.
and there are AI tools for
We
almost
got-
any use case you can. I don't know how to write code either. But if we're lucky, we will even cover a few tools for marketing, lead generation, data scraping,
So we
build
keep
your
going.
marketing website and assets, and even build your SaaS using only prompts in an AI tool. But before we continue, I will ask you to like this video and help.
All right, I think we have undone all the changes. Yep, it looks like it. All right, so now what I want to do is remove filler words, avoid any harsh cuts. We want to make sure those get removed from the video. We're going to write the list of words in your scripts. View them, or would you prefer to write? All right, so it looked like the AI timed out. So let's actually. Okay, so now it's actually going through after timed out the first time. I might have removed all the filler words before. Well, actually, there's 2 here, 3. So it didn't remove any, but if you want to do it manually, go to AI tools, remove filler words, and remove them all. Captions to freeze the user. So basically, we want to add some captions to the video at different portions to make sure that the user continues being engaged video. All right, so we're going to ask the AI to do that for us. Go through the exact steps that you need to do. And then from there, you can take it and perhaps do 50-60% of the heavy lift. And your editor can do the remaining 30-40%. And that allows you to actually get the ball rolling and get a better user experience for you, save time, save money, but at the same time, you get exactly what you need.
I will walk you through a few AI powered tools that can help you go from idea to successful business without writing a single line of code.
Okay.
Yep, I don't know how to write code either. But if we're lucky,
we got first one
for you to do marketing, lead generation, data scraping, build your marketing website and assets, and even build your SaaS using only prompts in an AI tool.
I would say not bad. Definitely, I will reposition these myself manually, or perhaps I could ask the AI. Definitely, I will say that perhaps I would pick a different type of caption, but it's definitely good starting point. Definitely, the AI is still not there. It ran into issues twice, so I had to reprogram provide the prompt and add a little bit more details just to get to the point where I wanted. Again, just like any other AI tool, the better your prompt is, the better results you're going to get. Overall, I would say that this is 7 out of 10. Definitely some work to do for the Descript team to improve this AI, but as more people use it and the AI start learning more and more, I would say that this is going to be the standard for people to actually edit videos using AI. I don't know if video editors will go away, but this is the beginning of using AI to edit videos. Really blows my mind. Definitely some stuff that I would like it to do, and I would be playing around with it in the upcoming weeks just to try to get a better understanding of the left and right limits. I might record a follow-on video just to show you some things that I discovered along the way. But overall, I would like to know from you, what do you think? Is this a tool that would be a game changer to you? Please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinion and see what you're able to achieve. But we have reached the end of this video. I really appreciate you taking your time and watching this video with me, and I hope to see you in the next one.